In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under benzene. So guys, we have 5 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the complete hydrogenation of benzene gives. So guys, the answer will be cyclohexane, option C. Very important. Alright, so that's the correct answer to this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following compounds has the same empirical formula as benzene? Alright, so guys, the right answer here would be this option A we have here, C2H2. So this compound we have here has the same empirical formula as benzene. Alright, so this is our ethyne. That's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following is the base resonance? So the answer is obvious, option A, benzene. That's the correct answer. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following organic compounds can undergo both addition and substitution reactions? So it's still benzene, guys, option B. Alright, so the last question before we end this video will be this one. It says, benzene produces more soot than ethane on burning because benzene undergoes both substitution and addition reactions. No. Is a liquid at room temperature. No. Has a higher degree of unsaturation. Yes. So the right answer is option C, has a higher degree of unsaturation. So guys, this basically can do problems involving benzene for your chemistry practice with 5 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what you have learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what you have talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you are part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.